Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to embed Google Doc on WordPress. The first thing you want to do once on your WordPress website, you want to find the page or post that you would like to embed your Google Doc. After you have done that, you're going to go onto Google Docs. And let's say, for example, I would like to embed this report. All I would need to do is select the template. Once you have selected the template, you're going to go over to the top left-hand corner, and from there, you're going to select File. After selecting File, you're going to select Share, and you're going to see the option Publish to Web. You're going to tap on that. After selecting Publish to Web, you have two options. You can either use the link option or the embed option. We're going to tap on Embed. After tapping on Embed, from here you can see Publish Content and Settings. You can tap on that, and after selecting that, you can select the option to automatically republish when changes are made. So that means that even if it is added to your website, once you make changes in Google Doc, it will automatically reflect on your website. You're going to tap on Publish, then select OK. Then you'll simply copy the HTML code. After you have copied the code, you're going to go back into WordPress, then tap on the plus right here, and you're going to select Custom HTML. After you have done that, you're going to paste in the HTML code, and if we were to tap on Preview, you can see it right here. Now, if I were to save it, and then select the Preview option, you can see how it looks. So this is it right here, as you can see there. So you can see that it has been embedded. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.